I posted this video 4 years ago. Corvette won't start sometimes. And I kind of foresaw my future. Look at what I said in this video. I remember this video because I remember filming an Econoline in this video because I'm a huge fan of Econolines.
Topics on my Corvette won't start sometimes, so figured it out. Very happy about that. Hey, nice Econoline. It's my brother. Alright, everyone. That's a 15-passenger one, too. I wish I had bought a 15-passenger Econoline now, but it's probably too long anyway for the desert. Like, too big of a overhang. Like when you're going down hills. They're cool, man. I like them, though. Alright, everyone.
I still agree with that statement. The back is probably too long, so I'm going to have to watch where I drive in the desert. Hopefully a lift will kind of help that a little bit, but still a long overhang on the 15-passenger Econolines. First thing I wanted when I got my van was track down these stickers. That was the first thing I did for my last van, got these stickers. 2 dogs and 4 cat stickers. That was 10 years ago. Of course, they're falling apart now, all these years later. But I wanted to track them down. I'm sentimental, so I'm waiting for my other kit in the mail because it comes with 2 dogs and 2 cats. This has 2 dogs and 4 cats because at the time I got this van, I had 2 dogs and 4 cats. One is left. I got one survivor out of these 6 pets. She's still kicking, but the other guys, I miss them a lot. I think about them every day, so that's my tribute to them. So it's kind of like, you know, my old van. My new van's kind of gonna be like my old van. It's gonna have like the same stickers. You know, that's important to me. I just got this sticker at the store. It was free. I don't even drink Monsters, but there's a sticker there. Carpe Diem, Seize Today, American Ninja Warrior, Umbrella Corporation, Rockstar. I'm into rock climbing. Haven't done it in a while. High Lift Jack. That was an Autobot sticker, but it faded. Action Van Suspension, Adopt. Yeah, I'm going to get pretty much the same stickers for my next van. If I don't get Action Van Suspension, it's probably going to be WeldTech next time. K&N, that faded. Van Tech, that was the roof rack, so a couple stickers, and then that faded right there. That's gone. Yeah, I'm going to take this ladder off on the weekend. Start taking the stuff off this van. Put it on my next one. The first video I made for this year talking about my new laptop, I was showing this van, and this is the van I ended up with. Couldn't pass up on the price. There's not many V10 Econolines out there for sale, so I didn't think I would end up with this van. 1 month after I made, you know, my first video for the year, a little more than a month after.